So, you know, there's a problem right now with YouTube. They keep demonetizing all of my videos on my third channel and quite a lot of videos on my main channel. Basically, when I upload them, they're immediately demonetized before I even, you know, add a title or anything. And then I have to send in a review. Usually the review is declined by manual review, meaning that some person sits there and is like, oh, yes, demonetize, demonetize, demonetize. This is them. They're sitting. Ah! This is the demonetize button. Now there's a lot of things popping up on my PC. But before we get into the problems with YouTube, I wanted to thank today's sponsor, which is Honey. But what is Honey? Well, Honey is an online shopping tool which is super easy to add to Chrome. All you do is you click the link in the description, you add to Chrome, you click add to Chrome, then you add it, and boom, you're done. Now, if you don't know what Honey actually does, it helps you save money while online shopping. So you know how when you're committing the online shopping, there's always this coupon code that you can input? Well, Honey scours the internet for coupon codes and automatically applies them to try to save you the most amount of money it can. So if you're ordering something, it just finds the code automatically, it adds the coupon, and you save money. Now, I've used Honey to buy, for example, shoes and electronics. Well, a bit better than those. It sounds like I'm a shopaholic, but I'm not. So if you want to try Honey for yourself, then please use the link in the description. And thank you, Honey, once again for sponsoring this video. And now, let's get back to the video. Now, the reason they demonetize my videos, according to them, is enabling dishonest behavior. And that's the thing on all videos. Let me find it, actually. So I found my tweet here. Skins that sold for the wrong price. Wow, that's definitely demonetizable. This video was demonetized for enabling dishonest behavior, content glorifying or promoting dishonest behavior. And this is YouTube's general explanation. Content meant to educate viewers on how to gain unauthorized access or make unauthorized changes on system devices or property in malicious ways, showcasing products or services that help mislead or cheat, such as academic essay writing services. You want to cheat on your university test? Use code Anomaly! LOL! And here they say some examples of content that fall into this category. Trespassing! Arrest me! Promoting or glorifying trespassing, such as overnight stunts in a secured building. Displaying a house break-in without additional context. Next up, hacking. Encouraging or enabling viewers to digitally monitor another person's activity. Basically, planting a Trojan or a rat in someone's computer. Haha, guys, look here. If YouTube.account equals not hacked, then it.shit. That's my tutorial, guys. Have fun with the money. Tips on how to wiretap someone's phone without their consent. Circumvention of drug tests. I haven't even tried alcohol. And then finally, forgery or creation of fake passports or other identification documents. Yeah. Which is why in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own custom quirky passport in 4K. And for the YouTube employee reviewing this video, who definitely has colored hair and nose piercings, this is a fucking joke. Please, don't demonetize my video. Also, if you want to check my Twitter, we'll be doing a passport giveaway, so just sign up for that. And also, we'll be doing a passport giveaway for your mom, because this is a pet passport, you see? This is also a joke. So, Papa, I've brought up all the things that I'll be needing in order to make my own passport. I've got here a little booklet. I've got pens of many colors. I've got some glue. This is for sniffing, not for the passport, as also a joke. And I've got a black marker and a scissor. I'll be starting by covering the booklet in some duct tape to make it look a bit more official, because anything that's duct tape is official.
Yeah. So my former girlfriend is official.
There we go. So first one done. There we go. We need to make another few, so we'll keep doing that.
får du passa in den på andra
Ja,
sidan.
men du borde hålla käften.
This is a very professional tutorial.
Yes, guys, because apparently these are the videos I make anyways, according to YouTube. So why the fuck not make a tutorial? Number 2 is done. I wish this was my foreskin. Shalom. It's a very wrinkly passport.
Yeah, like my ball sack.
Duh! Nej!
You're so fucking clumsy.
There we go. There we go, you see, we have this thick, nice heft to the passport now.
Yes.
What we need to do now is measure it up to a real passport. So, why am I making a second passport when I have a real one? I don't know, that's what YouTube says that I do. So, we only have one try here, so we better make it count. Okay, so this is a very delicate part of the process, so I'm gonna need some extra light. So you see, gonna make a little mark there, a little mark there. Now, is this passport gonna work? Helvete, jag ritar på mitt pass!
Whose passport is that?
Oh, it's Linda's passport,
Okay.
who cares? Fucking bitch. Now, what we're gonna do is, I am going to be very carefully cut along here. I feel like I'm a Jewish doctor. There we go. And then finally, there we go. So we're just gonna flatten it out a little bit.
Yeah.
There we go. Our custom passport almost done. Perfect.
Yeah.
Now, what we need to do is just make it, you know, the Swedish passport, European Union. So I'm at the airport and the guy says, oh, yeah, passport, please, for boarding.
Yeah.
And I say, oh, here's my passport. And then I give it to him. And then, you know, he's like, oh, okay.
It looks perfect.
So that's usually how you do it. But you see, the extra bamboozle part is that this money is also fake. You can see here on the back it says copy.
That's coming in another tutorial.
Yes, number 2, episode 2. So what we do now is we write here, European Union. Did I write European Onion? So as you can see, it is quite the resemblance.
I can't see which is which.
Yeah, whoa. Which one is which? Which one is real? Which one is custom? Fake? Huh? You don't know. Now, as you may see, it looks very real, but as soon as you open it up, you see there's nothing inside.
No.
And that's not right. There should be the name and a photo.
Yeah.
So let's go get a photo for the passport.
Yes.
Hello! I have arrived for my passport photos.
Sit down, please.
Yes, perfect. Thank you very much. Yeah, that's perfect. The problem is everyone walking by will think you are getting robbed.
After hours.
Yes. Yeah, perfect. That will definitely fool the government. Those are looking very nice.
That's for you.
Perfect. So now we have the photos for the passport, which is very nice. Thank you. There we go, Papa. Now that we have our photos for the passport,
Yeah.
we can keep the assembly. So here you can see from Photo City. Thank you very much. And then as you see, we open it and there is the picture. Very nice, right? There's 2 different.
Okay.
Now, which one do you think fits the best?
I think the hand picture.
The one with thumbs up?
Yeah.
Then they see that I have no bad intentions. I'm giving a thumb up. Good choice.
Yeah.
So I'll just write all the info that's needed and then we'll get to the photo. So
Yes.
I will be right back. There we go, Papa. So we have our passport here. Very beautiful. We open the first page. You can see. Anomaly Stet.
Yeah.
That's my name. A birth date and everything, and all the info, the passport and everything. The passport number up here, everything looking very nice. So now all that's missing is 2 photos. We need one over here and then one over here,
Yeah.
and then we should be pretty much done.
Yeah.
So let's open this here glue instant contact adhesive. How do people sniff that?
I don't know.
Let's take the passport photo with the thumb up.
Yeah.
So let's just put some glue here on the back. We're gonna put it right about over there. Then we need another picture as well. We're gonna put it right about there. There we go. We have to make sure that this all... Oh. This is gonna fool everyone.
Yes, I'm fooled. I'm fooled.
I just want to upload CS videos, man.
Yeah.
YouTube, why are you making me do this? I'm the Joker now. I started out being legit, and now the system's just pushing me down.
Into criminality.
Yeah. I mean, is this illegal? Probably not. This is like a kid painting.
It is.
Let's wait for it to dry out. Then we'll test it out. So, in order to test this out, we are going to go to a little pub bar over here with my fake passport and Sam's 100% legitimate real passport. And we're gonna say which one prevails and who gets the drink. Because I bet this one is gonna be just as good as yours.
Sure, man.
Oh! Sorry.
Jesus Christ.
Let's go!
I'll have a Bloody Mary, please.
Do you have ID card? No, it's not good. Can you go?
I'll have one alcohol, please.
Do you have ID card?
Yes, of course.
Okay, it's good.
This works? Yes. Thank you. I am over 18. Haha. Thank you. One alcohol. Thank you. Alcohol achieved. Dear YouTube, please just let me upload. Kind regards, Anomaly.